Hello and welcome. I'm Kevin, and this is the Real Laptop Lifestyle. Now, today I'm very excited because I'm going to be doing a video review on Resell Bots, the Resell Bots review, because it's such a good product. Now, I haven't seen anything like this before. If you're into affiliate marketing or you want to get into affiliate marketing, it can take quite a lot of work. There's a lot of different elements that need to be mastered and learned before you start making money. But this particular tool does it all for you. It's a one-stop affiliate marketing tool, and you'll be able to do very quickly what could normally take hours and hours and hours. So let me show you a little bit more. So what are you going to discover in this short video? Well, first of all, how to quickly begin making money from affiliate marketing. As I've already said, it's quite a long process, but this is really simplified because it does everything. In fact, it's a series of tools in one product. So you just go from one to another, they all knit into each other, and you'll see how it works in just a little while. You're going to learn how to create in minutes what would normally take you hours, if not days. So I've seen this working. I'm really impressed. It's something I'm going to be using, and I'm going to probably purchase very shortly. You're also going to learn how to establish a very lucrative income stream in just a few hours each week. So what would normally take you a week, you're going to be able to do in a day or half a day or perhaps even less. Now, if you stay with me right to the end of this video, then I've got a very special, or I've got a series of very special gifts for you. So let's get straight into this. Rather than me telling you about this product, I'm going to let the creator to tell you about it, because he's just a great job of it and he knows all about it anyway. He knows all the nooks and crannies. So let's get right into it.
You might have heard how a few insiders are making money selling their own digital products. They just license a product, sell it for big profits, and build a huge buyers list. And with digital marketers making hundreds of millions globally, it's no secret that selling your own ebook or software is the way to profit in 2020. Sounds great, right? But there's a problem. How do you actually create your own product quickly, easily, and without investing hundreds of hours and thousands of dollars? Well, that's where Resell Rights comes in. Resell Rights lets you license other people's products for a fraction of the cost. So you can keep 100% of the profits, get 100% of the list, and finally sell your own product in as little as a few hours. Want to see how it's done? Well, that's where the Resell Bots suite comes in, ready to change the game for January 2020. And in case you're wondering, what exactly does a Resell Bot actually do? Here's the simple 4-step formula behind my powerful new system. Step 1. Imagine if you were given your own instant software store, that you could collect leads and make sales without building software and without building any websites, and preloaded with resell rights to some of the top-selling JVZoo products of all time. Sounds like a dream? Well, as of today, it's finally possible. Presenting the Resell Bots Instant Software Store. This new software gives you a complete software website in minutes, preloaded with 10 software tools that generated over $400,000 in sales, with sales video, description, download page, and order button all preloaded. So there's no product creation, no writing, and absolutely no hard work whatsoever. Simply connect your autoresponder to start collecting leads, and enter your payment link to start collecting payments. Then click Go to launch an instant reseller e-commerce store. Your store is self-hosted, so there's no hosting or domain to worry about, and it integrates with any payment processor or autoresponder, including JVZoo, PayPal, Auber, GetResponse, and many more. So you can launch your instant product store filled with top-selling software, all from within our software. Now, the Instant Software Store is my fastest way to let you enter the lucrative world of software. But what if you prefer to host your new software empire on your own domain? Well, that's where the Resell Bot WordPress theme comes in. Simply activate the theme on your own domain. Choose from 10 professional design styles, then enter your payment and autoresponder settings, and start collecting the leads and sales. It looks like it took weeks to put this together, but it only took us a few minutes, and we're only getting started. Step 2. Now our web store is live, whether hosted or self-hosted, and we're ready to make sales and build a list. And that's where my TrafficDB software comes in. TrafficDB contains thousands of internet marketing websites that we can attract traffic from. Yes, we've preloaded 3,000 websites specifically for the internet marketing niche. So you can choose a website to get traffic from and promote your new website to a truly targeted audience. And yes, each website is broken down by niche, age, amount of traffic, and number of backlinks. Plus, we've scanned each site for 8 traffic opportunities, adverts that we can run on, AdSense that we can run ads on, affiliate programs we can join, email lists we can promote to, Facebook campaigns we can target, even the who is email of the site. It's the ultimate database of low-hanging traffic opportunities for the most profitable niche in the world, internet marketing. Step 3. Okay, so now our store is live. So it's time to expand our store, add even more products, and scale up to the next level. And that's where my Resell DB software comes in. Resell DB contains thousands of hot products that we can easily license and resell. A database preloaded with over 1,000 software tools and 100 WordPress plugins. Preloaded with over 3,000 master resell rights and PLR products. Plus loaded with thousands of video courses, ebooks, graphics, audio, website designs, and more. It's the ultimate database of resell rights products for 2019. Simply license any of the 10,000 products available, sometimes for as little as $3. Then log into your resell store, drag and drop your new products into the builder. And the software adds the product to your digital store automatically. And that's all there is to it. Step 4. So now our website is live, we're getting traffic, and we're selling multiple hot products on our store. But to really maximize our profits, we'll want to use video. And the easiest way is with my Rapid Video Creator software. Rapid Video is the fastest way to make sales videos in just a few clicks. Simply take any product description and paste it into Rapid Video. Enter a few timings and hit go. Then render your video and put it live on your web store in seconds. See how simple this is? It's the fastest way to create sales videos for the thousands of products you'll find in the Resell DB software. With your new store, you can sell unlimited products with unlimited sales videos. Can you see how new and different this is? And how it puts the best business online, selling your own product, within the reach for average people. You could finally be able to make money with your own digital products in January 2020 and beyond. So, there you have it. Resell Bots is a fresh new way to profit with resell rights and digital products in 2020. Bots members are able to sell unlimited products in the most profitable niche, attracting the most targeted traffic and in less time than was ever possible before. No matter the product you sell, the traffic you get, or the videos you create, you are instantly locked in on the great opportunity of the 21st century, digital products. So you're finally playing the product creation game with the deck stacked firmly in our favor, and doing it with my automated resell rights tactics. So, are you ready? Okay, great. The first step is to click on the order button. I'll send you an instant access link to the Resell Bots tool suite, including Instant Software Store. Launch your brand new software website so you can finally generate sales and build a list. Reseller Store Theme, my custom-built WordPress theme that builds a complete digital product store in seconds. 6-figure resell rights to some of my top-selling software products that have generated $400,000 in sales. Traffic DB, a database of thousands of websites and traffic opportunities for the internet marketing niche. Resell database software, preloaded with thousands of extra software and other products that you can license in minutes. Rapid Video Creator, that auto-creates instant sales videos for any product you want to sell in seconds. And that's just the Resell Bots software. You'll also get training videos where I walk you through each of the Resell Bots software tools. A quick start PDF guide designed to get you started on day 1. Plus, I'll include personal access to my email address in the members area. And remember, I'm here to help you succeed. But you must act now. Sorry, but with a deal this good, there are no second chances. So why wait around? Click on the big button right now to get started. You'll then be taken to the order page. Fill out your information on this page and then confirm your payment. You'll get instant access to my software within under a minute. Nothing could be simpler. Now is your chance. You can't wait on this. Do it right away so you can finally join me in the best business, selling your own products and building your own list. It's time to make January your month and 2020 your year. Okay, this video is ending now, so sign up. This opportunity will only last so long and I can only help so many people. Click on the button for instant access. Okay, I guess I'll see you on the inside.
Now, I did say I've got some bonuses for you. And to learn more about this and get to see the bonuses, just click on the link directly below this video. And that will bring you directly over to this page. Now, this is my bonus page which I put together. Click on the link directly below the video and you'll arrive here. And when you get there, the first thing you're going to see is a video. Now, this is one you've seen already, but you can sit down and you can watch it again if you want. So what I want to tell you is the product price is going to be $27. And that's what they're going to be showing you. But there are some upsells. So let me explain this. Right now it's on a dime sale, which means it goes up a little bit every sale or every half hour until it reaches $27. But then there's a number of upsells. Now, I'm not going to go into these upsells because I don't know. They haven't told me about them. They're keeping them a secret. But generally, if you buy the upsells, it's the more money you're going to make from it. It's going to give you more facilities. You're going to be able to do more things with it. So $27 for the front end, for the product itself. You've got upsell 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you can see the whole lot is really not that expensive for what you're getting. What I did want to show you was you've got 100% risk-free guarantee. So actually, you're not risking anything at all. They're taking all of the risk. Now, I did say I got some bonuses for you. And to get those, you have to come through to this page and click on one of these links. Now, don't take any notice of value, $97. It's just that somebody did the graphics already. Nobody's going to offer you bonuses that are worth more than the product. But these are some very interesting little bonuses that I put in there because I think you'll enjoy them. For instance, I put in there Instagram Marketing Made Simple, which is a product that I've got a resale rights to. And I've been using Instagram just recently. In fact, I've been using the information from this course, and I'm actually starting to make a little bit of money from Instagram. You're going to work at it and then you can work it up, but there are people who make very big sums from it. However, what I am making money from is from YouTube. This is this channel which you're watching right now. I put a lot of effort into it and now it's starting to make money. And I'm just at the beginning. There are people who make really big profits from this and it's residual. So if you want to learn how to do that, this bonus will tell you how to do it. Now, I'm also including a complete product. It's called Printly. The reason I'm doing this is I know two people who both use Printly. One of them uses Printly and nothing else but Printly and makes his entire living from it. So it's a really good product. I'm also going to give you two other products. I'm going to give you two Facebook products. The reason for that is I make a lot of my income from Facebook. And I think that you'd probably be interested in making money from Facebook as well. In fact, anywhere. And these two books will give you some really good tips. Now, remember, to get all of these, all you have to do is click on this link. The link is directly below the video. It'll bring you through to here. And when you click on this and purchase through this link, it'll take to the sales page. When you come to collect your product, you'll access your purchase, and right below there'll be a blue button. That is mine. If you purchase through here, I do make a commission, but I'm giving you bonuses as well. So what I need to know now is, do you have any questions? If you have any questions, you have any comments, please write them below. I will respond to them if they need a response. If you enjoyed this video, please just give me a thumbs up because it tells me you like it and I'll continue to make more. If you click the subscribe button, and I really hope you will, and the little bell next to it, it means I can keep you updated every time I make a new video. So that's it from me. Thank you very much for joining me here today. I hope you like this Resell Bots because it's a powerful product. I look forward to speaking to you again either in the next video or perhaps in my email list. Until then, thank you for joining me. Bye-bye for now.